Okay, so this is the Photoshop tutorial for making copy paste and with the selections. So you go to File, Open. I downloaded from the Dropbox. So on this week 2 Eiffel Tower. Yeah, here's the tower image. Now you go to File again, open one more time, the cell phone image. There you go. And then using Quick Selection tool. So it has to be two separate files in the beginning. Okay, so you have like multiple files, you copy from one image to different images. Okay, that's our first assignment. So go to cell phones and use quick selection tool. Select the cell phone and the hands. Just drag it. No, this is like too much. So undo. There you go. I can delete it later on too. So edit, copy, different image, edit, paste. So you got this finger here. Next step, edit, free transform. You got the bounding box, so we can make it bigger or smaller and put it into the corner. Okay, it's done. Now, uh, by default, when we paste the new image, it's automatically create the new layer, and then it's automatically selected the new layer, layer 1. I can rename it. Double click here, and this is a cell phone. And now I'm going to copy this image from the tower. So you have to go select background image first, and the box selection. I'm going to select this much. Edit, copy, edit, paste. Again, edit, free transform. Make it smaller. I can rotate it too if you like hover around your mouse. See that cursor has been changing. So that rotation mark, click and I can rotate it. Now I can make it smaller. Now the problem is this layer is supposed to be on top of the cell phone layer. This is like small tower. It's very good idea you rename these layers. So the small tower supposed to be on the top. So either you can select, move on to the top, let go. See? Now I can have that tower layer on top of the cell phone. Again, now free transform. I'm going to kind of match the corners. Hmm? Just like on the black screen. There you go. So it's gonna copy that over. Double click or enter. So we can use this move tool and just a little bit move. That's fine too. Okay. Now all we need is another thumb image on top of this tower image. So you have to go back to the cell phone layer first, and then use the quick selection tool. Now I'm gonna hide with that eye icon a little bit. See that? Hide, unhide. Clicking that eye icon on the layer. So cell phone layer selected. Now I'm gonna select just the thumb. Copy paste. This is thumb. So thumb layer has to be on top of this. I can move around, right? See that? I copied over the thumb, but it's still behind it on the cell phone image. Now I'm gonna small tower image, bring it down underneath of the thumb layer. Now the thumb is on the top. Move tool, I can just move around right there. Now the composite image is all done. Okay, so basically I'm using just a quick selection tool and uh, the box selection tool and move tool and the layers to create this composite image.